Statistics or measures of central tendency para eta short question loishu. Questionat koise the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers are 5 and 4 respectively. Arithmetic mean dia ase 5 aru geometric mean dia ase 4. Amak koise find the harmonic mean. Jetia duta positive number dia thake, hei duta number or arithmetic mean, geometric mean aru harmonic mean or major relationship to hoise am into hm is equal to gm whole square. Am kiman dia ase arithmetic mean 5 into hm is equal to gm whole square. Geometric mean kiman dia ase 4 square. hm equals 4 square mane kiman 16 divided by 5 right lo anile kota hibo yate ahi jabo. So hm is equal to 16 by 5 kiman hoy je 3.2. So 8 is our required answer.